Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. The Access Risk Manager comprises several submodules, namely Identify Risk, Get Clean, Stay in Control. In this video, we will demonstrate the Identify Risk module. The Identify Risk module analyzes your SAP systems and identifies access risks that could potentially lead to security breaches or compliance violations. The module provides user-friendly dashboards that display easy-to-consume risk information, making it simple for you to identify and address potential issues. One of the key features of this module is its ability to monitor transaction code and Fiori usage, which enables Soterion to compare signed access with executed access for each SAP user. This helps prevent SAP authorization creep, which occurs when users are assigned inappropriate access over time. The module allows you to perform detailed access risk reporting at various levels, including the user, composite role, single role, and business role level. Soterion's out-of-the-box rule set covers segregation of duty risk, critical transaction risks, functional risks, and data privacy risks. And if you need to customize the rule set, our Risk Explorer functionality makes it easy to do so. At Soterion, we understand that it's important to present access risk information in a business-friendly manner to enhance better business accountability and decision-making. By illustrating all SAP access risk with supporting business process flows, this makes it easy for business users to understand where in the business process the conflicting access resides. With just a click of a button, this module enables you to identify which access risks contribute to the highest number of violations in your SAP environments, as well as the SAP roles that are responsible for the access. In addition to highlighting risk-bearing SAP access, the Identify Risk module also displays access risk at a more granular level, specifically at the organizational level. This allows you to manage access at the company code, plant, or other organization level, ensuring that SAP users can only perform functions for the areas for which they're authorized. Soterion links SAP users to an organizational level group and highlights which users in the organization can transact in a specific company code or plant for which they do not belong. This information is presented in easy-to-consume graphical maps, highlighting which users are in violation and the SAP roles that provide the inappropriate organizational level access. So that's a quick overview of Soterion's Identify Risk module, a powerful, business-friendly solution that helps you identify, manage, and mitigate SAP access risks. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.